Hi, in front of me is Huawei Honor 20i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and click on Biometrics and Password. Select Face Recognition and enter your current login method. After that, read the disclaimer and tap on Get Started. Now all you need to do is turn off your screen and turn it back on to check out if it works. As you can see, Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!